You want to see what I got for VIP merch from Miss Avril Lavigne? Let's go, stay tuned. An unboxing and unbagging. I don't even know what to call this, honestly. I just thought this was a fun video to do. I'm going to show you guys what is in my Avril Lavigne VIP merch concert bag. I went to the Avril Lavigne concert, obviously, because I got this, and I bought one merch item, and then I'm going to do a unboxing of what's in the VIP bag. And if this is something you guys want to watch, I think this is cool, and keep watching. Okay, so the Avril Lavigne concert was something that I bought for myself for my birthday. I bought me and my best friend VIP tickets in the pit, like right close to her. We got there at like 6:30 and she came on at 10. So we were there for hours beforehand just waiting. We didn't leave the pit, so we didn't pee. We held in our pee. Oh, it was just like a nightmare. We couldn't drink water. I wouldn't have traded it for the world, and I went with the best person ever. We had such a fun night, honestly. People were a little bit like aggressive in the pit, like trying to get in front and stuff, but I'm like, we waited there for so many hours. Like, we were second row. We got second row, so like we were right there seeing her. Modson was the first opener, and then Grandson was the second opener. Didn't really like Grandson, not gonna lie, but I thought Modson killed it. I've always heard about Modson, but I never heard anything, like I've never heard him rap or sing or whatever, and I was like, oh my god, he's so good live, like, and his songs were really catchy. But Avril absolutely killed it. Her outfit was amazing. Her voice, you could just hear her. I could like see her like full makeup and like details in her outfit because I was so close. And I met so many of you guys. I was so thankful for you guys coming up to me and getting pictures, and I met like 20 or 15 to 20 of you guys, and it was just so sweet, and you guys really made my day, and all the sweet words that you said to me. I was like scared. I was rushing people because there were so many people wanting pictures and people were leaving at that time, but I hope that I got a picture with everyone that wanted to. And yeah, let's just see what's in the VIP bag. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is the merch item that I bought. So we got there early, and we got early access to the venue and to the merch line. So that was so nice. And this is the one that me and my bestie both chose. And we both got it in a large because I'm going to have this as like a relaxing shirt, a sleep shirt. This will also be good in the summer to wear with like fishnets. And I don't know, just like it's a cute shirt. So it just says Avril Lavigne. She's beautiful. And it says love sucks. And on the back are all the dates for the Canada tour and all the cities that she has went to and is going to. So I'm pretty sure they're in order, right? So here, I don't know, she probably started here, and then we're down here to Saskatoon. That's where I live, and this is such a cute shirt. So it was the Bite Me tour, by the way. If anyone is wondering, wow! If you guys want to follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, it's right here. If you guys want to see behind the scene things that you don't get to see on vlogs or YouTube, I would be very appreciative for that. So I'm just gonna go and grab, because this was all stuff that came with the tickets, which I get VIP a lot where I go. I'm not trying to brag or anything like that. I get VIP a lot of the times. I hadn't got like a merch bag in a while, so I was very appreciative for this. I really liked it. The tote bag is the first thing, I guess, right? I could use this for groceries or just like an overnight bag or a quick bag. And then we got this little Avril Lavigne toque or beanie. Where I live, we call these toques, and most people call these a beanie. This is cute. I'm very excited for this. I love little beanies. This is what it looks like on. I don't want to mess with my hair, actually. No. You guys will see it on the vlog channel. I live in these even in the summer, like whatever. I'm gonna be Pedro from Napoleon Dynamite and say, and then my head got really hot like me. Me trying to sound like him, I can't. The next thing in this bag is this thing that's making all those noises, and it is a Bite Me water bottle with this little, what are these called? These are called some kind of clip. I've heard like them being called so many different things. Anyways, it's a clip. It's a nice water bottle. I used to bring these to when I worked at Value Village and stuff, but I don't work there anymore. And I'll usually grab a glass of water at home. But if I'm out and about, a water bottle is always a good thing. And I have a lot of tumblers that have a straw, but not a lot of like water bottles. So this is a good thing. I could put alcohol in here or or water, you know, whatever you want. Kool-Aid, tea, I don't know. Iced matcha latte. Chick, chick, chick. The next thing in here is a mask. COVID, high pandemic. Matches my outfit also. It says Bite Me right there in faint. And then it says Avril Lavigne. The brand of this is Next Level Sustainable. Right here. Anyways, it looks like this. It's very stretchy, but it doesn't fit me. Like, it's saggy. Saggy sparkles, am I right? Like, it's very, very big on me. Look at it. I don't want to put it and ruin my makeup, but it's just saggy. But I've heard a lot of people like say to twist these. I've done that before, but I feel like I loosen these up and then the mask doesn't look good. So the very last thing in here, I think it is at least. Yes, the very last thing in here is this. And let's open it up. This little bag it. It's a little keychain. And she looks like a little dog tag there. I'm gonna clip this to my keys right after I'm done filming this. I think it's really cute. And yeah, that's about it. It's not plastic either. It's... Anyway. So this is everything. Everything is very black and dark. I like it. I like it a lot. So that was everything that was in my little Avril bag. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just a little short and sweet unboxing moment for anyone that wanted to see it. A little in-depth moment. And if this isn't your cup of tea for a video, stay tuned for the next one. Why am I talking like this? Okay, bye.